Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open a chlorine pool. First, carefully remove your winter cover, clean it well, and store it properly. Next, reinstall all your pool equipment, including skimmer baskets and drain plugs. Then, fill your pool until the water reaches the middle of the skimmer opening. Finally, inspect all components for any damage and ensure every connection is secure before proceeding. This sets the foundation for a smooth pool season. Now, let's get your equipment running. Reconnect your pump, filter, heater, and all other circulation components. It's crucial to prime your pump by filling it with water to prevent any airlock problems. Once everything is connected, turn on your circulation system and carefully check for any leaks or unusual noises. If you have a sand or DE filter, remember to backwash it. Otherwise, clean your cartridge filter thoroughly. This step ensures proper water flow. Next, balancing your water chemistry is key for a healthy pool. Begin by testing your pool water for pH, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and chlorine levels. Aim to adjust your pH to a range of 7.4 to 7.6 for optimal comfort and sanitizer efficacy. Keep your total alkalinity between 80 and 120 parts per million. Finally, add a chlorine shock treatment to effectively sanitize the water and eliminate any lingering contaminants. This creates a safe swimming environment. To wrap things up, perform some final checks and establish a maintenance routine. Thoroughly brush your pool walls and vacuum the bottom to remove any remaining debris. Allow your filter to run continuously for at least 24 to 48 hours to ensure crystal clear water. Retest your water chemistry daily, making small adjustments as needed to maintain balance. Lastly, confirm all safety equipment is in place and functioning correctly. Enjoy your sparkling clean pool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.